Come take a look at this new 2013 Ram 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This 1500 boasts a 3.6-liter engine and has a 8-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the remote start and security group, anti-spin differential rear axle, 50-state emissions, 32-gallon fuel tank, black diesel gray interior, cloth 40/20/40 bench seat and the Parkson's rear parking assist system. Call 877-331-8023 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.